I go tennis with my friends. Every morning I do running. And I play yoga every night. Whoa, 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 whoa. Slow down. What's wrong with these expressions? Hi everybody, I'm Aliona at Cake English and I'm here to answer your questions. Today's question is, how do we use go, play, and do when talking about activities? I will explain the three main differences between go, play, and do. First, go is used with activities that end in ing, like go fishing, go shopping, go bowling, and go hiking. We can even change the verb go to fit other situations, like what happened yesterday. We could say, yesterday I went running, because went is the past tense of go. Next, play is used with musical instruments, sports that use a ball, and in games where we play against another person. So we can say, I play the piano, I play soccer, and even I play video games. Last, do is used with an activity or a sport that you do usually alone. Think of the martial arts. That means fighting sports like taekwondo and karate, and also yoga and gymnastics. We can say, I do taekwondo, I do karate, I do yoga, and I do gymnastics. Let's avoid confusion and learn to use go, play, and do correctly and confidently. Repeat after me for some speaking practice. Do you want to go bowling with me on Saturday? Do you want to go bowling with me on Saturday? My father likes to go fishing after work. My father likes to go fishing after work. Last weekend, I went camping in the woods. Last weekend, I went camping in the woods. Can you play the piano? Can you play the piano? My brother can play soccer really well. My brother can play soccer really well. My music teacher plays the flute beautifully. My music teacher plays the flute beautifully. Can you do taekwondo? Can you do taekwondo? I do yoga in the evenings. I do yoga in the evenings. My sister did gymnastics for 5 years. My sister did gymnastics for 5 years. So, do you know the difference between go, play, and do? Let's try out a quiz. I will karate tonight. I will do karate tonight. On weekends, I like to video games. On weekends, I like to play video games. My friends and I want to shopping. My friends and I want to go shopping. Good job, everyone. So that's it for today. Remember to download the Cake app for free so you can find more videos just like this one. See you next time. Bye!